Hi guys, today I'm here with a milk peda recipe. It's an easy to make dessert which is prepared with easily available ingredients at home. It's one of the most popular sweet and making it at home is much better than buying from any sweet shop. So let's check out the ingredients. One tablespoon of ghee, 1.5 cup of milk powder, half cup of saffron soaked milk, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and few pistachios for garnishing. To a pan, add in 1 tablespoon of ghee and into the ghee I am going to add in saffron soaked milk. Combine well. Saffron soaked milk gives good color and good aroma to your pedas. It's combined well. Now I am going to add in a milk powder, a 1.5 cup of milk powder. Mix it gently using a whisk. Keep the flame low. You should be very careful while mixing. Keep on stirring till you see it starts to leave the sides of the pan like this. And this is a good indication. Yeah, see how it looks. It's done. Now I'm going to turn off the flame. And we'll transfer this to a bowl like this. Let it cool down completely. Now add in 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 and 2. Now combine it well. Further, apply some ghee onto your palms and take small portions of this mixture and make small balls. I'm just applying some ghee onto my palms. And make a smooth ball like this and press it in the center. Now repeat with the rest of the mixture. See, like this. Our pedas are ready. Now I'm going to garnish it with some pistachios. So onto the center and press it gently. Like this. Isn't it good? It's done. So final one and it's done. I hope you will try this delicious peda recipe and enjoy those special moments with your loved ones. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe and see you in my next video.